Question tí mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwa tá a máa ń jà nítorí ẹ̀sìn. Àkọ́kọ́, bàbá wa tí wọ́n jẹ́ Alhaji Yusuf Adépọ̀jù, bàbá wa Jamiu Adégúnwà àti Tani Ọlọ́run àti Pastor Noah Ezekiel, torí mo rí i pé ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń dìfẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀sìn yín lọ́wọ́ rí, Ọlọ́run sì ti gbọ́n ju gbogbo wa lọ. Question tèmi wá fẹ́ bi yín léèrè ni wípé ẹ má bínú o, tí àwa mùsùlùmí tá a bá ní àwa mùsùlùmí nìkan ni a máa wọ àlìjẹ́nnà, my question is that níbo ni àwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì fẹ́ wọ̀? Níbo ni àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe ìṣẹ̀ṣe fẹ́ wọ̀? Ìyẹn fáwa mùsùlùmí. Now, ẹ̀yin kìrìsìtẹ́nì tẹ́yin náà ń jà yìí pé àwa ní àníjọba ọ̀run. Now, Pastor Noah Ezekiel, tí ẹ̀yin bá wọ, tó ẹ bá sọ pé kìrìsìtẹ́nì nìkan ló máa wọ ìjọba ọ̀run, níbo ni àwa mùsùlùmí fẹ́ wọ̀? Níbo ni àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe fẹ́ wọ̀? Ẹ wá rí Tani Ọlọ́run àti gbogbo orú wọn bẹ́ẹ̀, tẹ́ bá sọ pé ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe lẹ máa wọ ìjọba ọ̀run, níbo ni àwa mùsùlùmí máa wà? Níbo làwa kìrìsìtẹ́nì máa wà? Àbí ṣé bá ṣe pọ̀ tó yẹn náà lọ́lọ́run ṣe fẹ́ fi wá sí náà ni? Ṣé bá ṣe pọ̀ tó yẹn náà la ṣe máa wà àlìjẹ́nnà, la ṣe máa níjọba ọ̀run, la ṣe máa wọ ìjọba ọ̀run? Question mi nìyí fún gbogbo yín, tí ẹ bá lè bá wa rí dáhùn, so a wá mọ ohun tí a fẹ́ sọ lórí ẹ̀. This question through to our father in Islam, Alhaji Yusuf Adépọ̀jù. Likewise, our father Jamiu Adégúnwà. The question is that if we Muslim is the only one that will enter paradise, please, where are we going to find Christian in the day of resurrection? Where are we going to find the traditional religion in the day of revelation? That's my question for we Muslims, sir. Likewise, Pastor Noah Ezekiel, you will normally preach against Islam, which is good. You are protecting your religions. That's nice. But my question is this: if you only Christians are the one going to enter paradise, where are we going to find we Muslim? Where are we going to find traditional religions? Likewise, Tani Ọlọ́run and others, that they are fighting for their religion, I mean their traditional religions. Now, you people are claiming that you are the one that's going to enter paradise. Now, can we explain to us, where are we going to find ourselves, both Christian and Muslim? Now, that's my question for you people that you are fighting all about the religion, or you are fighting for your pockets. Ṣàpò yín lẹ̀ ń jà fún ni, àbẹ́ ń jà fọ́lọ́run? That's my question to you people.